Well, eyes were on the sun and moon as a total solar eclipse took place in 15 states across the country. Millions traveling near and far to get a glimpse of the rare phenomenon. The once-in-a-generation event considered the largest mass travel event in the U.S. this year. Now, this was the view from Indianapolis. Indiana was one of 15 states in totality of this year's eclipse. A chilling sight as the moon moves through the sun's path, blocking out almost all light there. Back here at home, this is what the eclipse looked like in central Iowa. This is from the Papa John Sculpture Park downtown. As you can see, a perfect crescent sun there moving across the sky. Well, we have team coverage from all the sites tonight as we witness that partial eclipse here in Des Moines. Megan McPherson was at the Papa John Sculpture Park in Des Moines. But first, let's get to Local 5's Laura Bowen, who's been at Drake Municipal Observatory all day. Laura.
Not too long ago, this place was full of people wearing those special glasses. And that enthusiasm, you could sense it in the atmosphere. One kid even told me he wore a special space shirt for the occasion.
So I think it's very important for him to see it, and he's really excited. And hopefully this gentleman will remember a little bit too.
For some, this was their first eclipse they're old enough to remember.
The moon goes in front of the sun.
And for others, it's a part of a long list of their many adventures.
Our families think we're a little crazy, especially our husbands, but they're used to that.
Longtime friends Terry Roth and Karen Atkinson came all the way from the Twin Cities for a better view.
I just kept watching the forecast, and I'm like, we're going to drive south until there's sun. Here we are.
And according to the people we talked to, it lived up to the hype.
It just makes you think about the scale of these things, how far away the moon is, how far away the sun is, all the circumstances that make it possible. It's awesome.
The kids are they're juiced up. Energy drinks or something.
It's a natural phenomenon that ignites a sense of wonder no matter what age you are.
It kind of made me feel like a kid again because I'm not sure what to expect. When you got the glasses and you see the sun covered up, and it's just like, oh my God.
I actually saw it get dark like a really little bit, so it was really cool.
According to NASA, most of the U.S. won't be able to see an eclipse like this until 2044. And the people who came here seem to really understand how special that makes this. Laura Bowen, Local 5 News.
Laura, thank you very much for that. Well, there was another popular spot in town for watching the eclipse this afternoon. Local 5's Megan McPherson brings us the sights and sounds from one of Des Moines' most popular parks, which served really as the perfect viewing spot.
Here at Papa John Sculpture Park in downtown Des Moines, people from across the metro gathered here this afternoon to watch the partial solar eclipse. Some students from Des Moines also told me that they got to take a break from the classroom today. They came down here, put their glasses on, and watched this historic event.
Though Iowa's capital city wasn't along the path of totality, dozens spent their lunch hour outside, eclipse glasses ready, their eyes towards the sky.
It's pretty cool to see it with glasses.
Central Campus students in Des Moines were out in full force to see the rare spectacle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, we walked all the way down here, and that was pretty fun.
It was good to see.
And it's nice outside.
A sunny day with clear blue skies, perfect for viewing the eclipse. And sharing the moment with friends too.
It's the moon going over the sun, so it's blocking out the light, and it makes it dark sometimes.
A fun, historic moment.
What do you think's cool about seeing a solar eclipse?
They're coming together. It is pretty cool to see that.
That, all jokes aside, these students will remember. In Des Moines, Megan McPherson, Local 5 News.
Well, students from Iowa State University got to travel to Illinois to witness the eclipse in person. It was the final part of a two-semester project for 9 students and their teacher. They launched a high-altitude balloon nearly above the Earth's atmosphere. The balloon held a parachute and a spacecraft attached below, which sent back temperature, air pressure, and humidity readings measured before, during, and after the eclipse's totality.
At the highest altitude we get to, about 20 miles up, it's about the size of a school bus in diameter.
You can see right there the balloon detaching from a practice launch weeks ago. The spacecraft floated back down into the atmosphere, and the students tracked it down 60 miles from Ames using onboard GPS.